Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 5th July 2026. Title of Murli: Transform mine into yours and become a carefree emperor. Practice putting a full stop to all waste in a second and use all your thoughts and time in a worthwhile way. Details are: Baap Dada says, "Sweet children, hand over all your worries to Baba and become carefree emperors." When you transform mine into yours, your mind becomes light, free from anxiety, and filled with constant happiness. The special need of the present time is to practice applying a full stop, bindi, to every waste thought within a second, so that no situation can shake your stage. Every moment and every thought of the confluence age is an invaluable treasure. Therefore, make both your time and your thoughts worthwhile, and do not waste them on anything unnecessary. Renounce laziness and carelessness, become an intense effort maker, and follow Baba's elevated Shrimat to attain perfection. True love for Baba is proven only when his directions are put into practice in daily life. Therefore, remain constantly seated on the throne of Baba's heart, stay firm in the pilgrimage of remembrance, destroy the burden of past actions, vikarmas, and claim your elevated future and a place in the royal family with Baba. Blessing for today. May you become an embodiment of success by serving as an image of the balance of love and power. Details are: you constantly have love for the Father in one eye and the awareness of your duty, service, given to you by the Father in the other eye. In the same way, as well as being an image of love, now also become an image of power. As well as love, let your words be filled with such power that you are able to pierce, penetrate anyone's heart. A mother teaches her child with whatever words are needed, but because of her love, those words do not feel harsh or bitter. In the same way, tell everyone this true knowledge in clear words, but let the words be filled with such love that you become an embodiment of success. Slogan is: make the Almighty Authority Father your companion, and you will be liberated from having to repent. Avyakt Signal. Stay in the volcanic stage and experience powerful remembrance. Just as the rays of the sun spread everywhere, in the same way, with the stage of being a Master Almighty Authority, experience spreading the rays of powers and specialities everywhere. For this, stabilize yourself on the seat of the awareness of this self-respect. I am a soul who is a Master Almighty Authority. I am a destroyer of obstacles. Let your yoga be volcanic and no obstacle will be able to come in front of you. Om Shanti.